Introducing Enterprise's Next Level's E&L Wellness Product, the E&L Cranstembold. The E&L Cranstembold brings a whole new level of well-being to the 21st century. It is a potent mix of ingredients such as cranberry plant stem cells, honeysuckle, Chinese skullcap, Sephora flavescens, chameleon plant, and so much more. The E&L Cranstembold has the most potent plant stem cells-based bioorganic product. Plant stem cells are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals in the body. Plant stem cells are cells that contain unique compounds that promote regeneration and repair of body cells. They also contain compounds that help protect the skin from environmental damage, such as ultraviolet radiation, pollution, and environmental toxins. The cranberry plant stem cells, together with the other ingredients, can only be found in the E&L Cranstembold. These ingredients have been used for over 2,000 years in different parts of the world, long before the discovery of pharmaceuticals. They work together for complete prevention and support for the treatment of various health conditions, such as urinary tract infections, weak immune system, bad cholesterol and triglycerides, all forms of cancers, excessive weight. Cranberries and our more cork tree have very powerful antioxidants and are rich in calcium, potassium, fiber, vitamins, proteins, and so much more. The presence of Sephora flavescens in Cranstembold helps with type 2 diabetes, enhancing kidney and liver function, respiratory infections, improving lungs health and suppresses lung inflammation such as asthma, motor function and axon repair, regulating sleep cycle, cognitive functions and brain health, combating gastrointestinal disorders. Chameleon plants and Chinese skullcap present in Cranstembold contain anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-tumor, cardio, and neuroprotective properties. These give it the potency and efficacy it needs to help with atherosclerosis, Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, fighting STI infections, prostate health, skin health, and much more. Enterprise's Next Levels did extensive research together with her research and development department in collaboration with leading research institutes to produce this super bioorganic product. Cranstembold, your total bio-care. Be proactive today and live healthy by allowing nature to take care of you. Order your Cranstembold today.